Okay, peeps, we're back after lunchtime. We're making stair stringers now. It's not really hard, pretty simple. It could be complicated if you make it complicated, but really it's not complicated. Just a bunch of odd size triangles, and that's about it. Voila, a stair stringer. I got a template from online, so you guys can't go wrong with that. I messed up on the first time, but I got it on the second shot. Used a carpenter square and some one of those carpenter thingamabobbies there. And there is a stringer. So we got a 10-inch run and 6 11/16 of an inch rise. We went a little more of an easier step up than this regular 7-inch, but that's what we did. So all I did was cut this out, and then transferred it to another 2x12, and then just do what you would do in school. Trace. Cut all the lines, and voila, you got yourself another stringer. So I got 3 more to cut here, and I'm going to mosey on and make some stairs before I leave. Yeah. Okay. After all that fun hard work of tracing and cutting all those freaking awkward sized triangles, we got ourselves a staircase getting together here. Unfortunately, one of our other 2x12s, as I cut it, I hit a knot and freaking just cracked it right in half, and that was it for that piece. So that's 4 feet wide, so we're gonna have a nice good wide staircase. As you can already tell, it's not a very steep slope, but very comfortable. Let's go over here. I'll show you right where it's going to go, right there. So I did the on YouTube. Everyone follows YouTube. From there to there, I did that 5-foot rise, total rise, then divided that by blah blah blah, and then divided that blah blah blah, whatever. But it works. In the long run, it equaled out to 9 rises. Let's go back here. So as you can see it, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rises, I guess, and 10 runs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 runs. Well, how about that? I was wrong. But anyways, that's 5 feet high. That's Grampy pointing the wood. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys all later.